Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to change fingerprint animation on your Xiaomi 15T. So let's go to settings, and you have to go to section with your fingerprint, face data and screen lock. Now let's go to fingerprint unlock, and now go to fingerprint recognition section, and please make sure that option fingerprint animation is enabled. And finally you can set your fingerprint animation. So here are different options. Here you can see it changes on your screen. For example, let's select this one and also some other fingerprint animations, but let me switch to this one, and let me lock my phone. And when I unlock it, I see this animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.